Book of Heaven, Volume 12, June 16, 1919. There is no sanctity without the cross. No virtue is acquired without union with pains. I was thinking in my interior, where are the pains that my sweet Jesus had told me he would let me take part in while I am suffering almost nothing? And my always lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, how you deceive yourself. You calculate the corporal pains, and I calculate the corporal and moral pains. Every time you have been without me, it was a death that you felt, and I felt myself repaired for the many deaths that creatures give themselves with sin. And you took part in the many deaths that I suffered. When you felt cold, it was another little death you felt, and you came to take part in the coldness of creatures who would want to cool down my love. But my love, triumphing of their coldness, absorbs it in me to feel the death of their coldness, and I give to them more ardent love. The same with all your other pains. They were the evils opposite to those of creatures, which like many little deaths made you take part in my deaths. And then, don't you know that my justice, when it is forced by the wickedness of the peoples to pour new scourges, suspends your pains? The evils will be so grave as to be horrifying. I know that this is a pain for you, but I too had this pain. I would have wanted to free creatures from all pains, both in time and in eternity, but this was not granted to me by the wisdom of the Father, and I had to resign myself. Would you perhaps want to surpass my very humanity? Ah, daughter, no kind of sanctity is without cross. No virtue is acquired without union with pains. Know, however, that I will repay you at usury for all my privations, and for the very pains which you would want to suffer, and do not suffer.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.